Welcome everybody to my channel. It's just Jen. I'm coming at you with my very first YouTube video and I'm so excited! I'm so excited that I'm here. I've always wanted to have a YouTube channel and yeah, I'm here. It was one of my New Year's resolutions. If you don't know me, some of you probably do. I'm a very shy person. I'm very introverted. And so this is a big deal for me to be sitting in front of a camera talking and then to actually upload it to YouTube. So 2019 is a year of stepping out of my comfort zone. So this is a start. Anyways, today I wanted to talk to you just a little bit about my channel, give you a little bit of an introductory to it, and what topics are going to be covered. And then also I wanted to touch on the hashtag Gymshark 66 challenge. Sorry if I'm looking down here, it's because I have notes. I'm such a newbie at this, and if I'm looking up here, right there, it's because I have a viewfinder right there, or a screen. I don't know. I'm so vain and I just want to look at myself because my makeup is really good today. So basically I have a series of 4 topics that I'm going to cover weekly. So the plan is to upload every Sunday of 2019, starting with this coming Sunday, the 6th, which is tomorrow. So I'm gonna have to like hustle my butt here. Anyways, gather yourself, Jen. Wow. I'm just gonna take a sip of water. I'm creating a series basically just covering the topics that I want to speak on. The first being, it's just life. Videos can entail tips and tricks for whether it's moving out, whether it's organizing. I'm not the best at organizing. You know, vlogs around, you know, what I do on the weekends, what I do for fun. Okay. The next is It's Just Fitness. That one is mainly going to be either tips and tricks on becoming more comfortable in the gym. Who have a passion for just being fit. That is so uninspiring. Wow. Anyways, yeah, so there might be like what I eat in a day, what I do at the gym, what motivates me to go to the gym. Those type of videos. I probably wouldn't be doing videos of like me working out in the gym just because I don't feel like I'm qualified to do that. My boyfriend is a personal trainer. He'll be starting his YouTube channel right away as well, so he has so much knowledge. So much knowledge. He's just like a fountain of information. Next I have It's Just Beauty, and this is gonna cover everything from makeup to skincare routines to doing my nails. And the last one, and my absolute favorite, is It's Just Travel. That is gonna be travel vlogs, travel tips, travel tricks. And I'm going to Vegas with my boyfriend and my brother and his fiance. So I'm gonna be vlogging the whole experience. I've never been to Vegas, so I'm so excited. I cannot wait. The next topic I wanted to talk about is the challenge that I started that some of you, if you follow me on Instagram, probably have already seen, and that is the Gymshark 66 challenge. They say it takes 66 days to develop a habit. We believe it takes 66 days to change your life. The reason why I wanted to do the Gymshark 66 challenge is essentially just clean up my diet. An inch and I take a mile. I take 10 miles. I take a whole damn marathon, okay, when it comes to food. And I associate food with happiness. And so my goal is just getting back into hitting my macros to eat what's best for my body. Because when I eat good, the next day I have the best workouts. I started on January 1st, and I'm proud to say that I've done really well. But it's very hard to eat within moderation, especially when you love food as much as I do. I will probably be updating you via Instagram stories and then also on my video, and then the challenge ends I think like in March sometime, the beginning of March. I'll be showing my results. I'll be talking about what I'm eating. I'm just making sure that I'm not hungry. So just having snacks rather than eat when I get hungry, or just not letting myself get to that, because that's awful too. So yeah, if it fits your macros, that's kind of my plan. And I'm really excited to see where eating better takes my body. Because if you are ready to see some vlogs, if you want to see some beauty tips and tricks, if you want to just know a little bit about my life, what I'm doing, where I'm traveling, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, leave a comment below. I'm so nervous to upload this, but I'm so excited for this journey, and I hope that you'll join this journey with me. Again, it's just Jen. Thank you for watching this video, and have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful week.